This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. This magnificent 1895 Italianate home overlooks the Delaware River, bridge, and city skyline. The queen and interior showcases beautiful woodwork, and a grand foyer with a stone fireplace. The gracious living room offers natural light with many windows and built-in window seats. The generously sized formal dining room with arched windows includes a modern eat-in kitchen. 4 bedrooms on the second floor all offer breathtaking views. A central dressing room has a balcony overlooking the river. The updated, modern bath, 2020, offers a freestanding tub and separate shower. The third-floor suite includes an office, a sleeping alcove, and a large bedroom with a full bath. This classic property also rounds out with a 3-car detached garage, private driveway with electric gate, porches, patios, and a private yard. A very special property. This property can be purchased fully furnished for an additional $10,000. For more information,